Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your screen wash pump on this Maxus. So as you can see, this is the new water pump for the Maxus. So as you can see, this is a temporary pump that I'm fitted, and I'm going to remove the original one out. This one's 40. As you can see, there's a bit of fluid coming out of it. Now I'm going to fit the new one. As you can see, I've blocked it off so all of the screen wash doesn't run out. Shove that right in there like that. You know what I mean? Right now. So next thing we're going to do is disconnect this pipe off. So I'm going to disconnect that pipe and then I'm going to plug it into that one down there. So now I've disconnected that plug, so just need to pull that off. So you can see the bit of water coming out there. Just plug that in there, like so. Make sure it's on properly. So it goes all the way in. There we go, so that's in. So now, next thing to do is, I'm going to disconnect both of these plugs. Actually, let's just plug it out from here. I'm going to have to take that off after. I'm going to put the original plug back in. As you can see, this is the original plug. I'm going to go ahead, plug that back in, like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this temporary pump, including all the pipes of it. So as you can see, the pump's fitted. I've removed the temporary one that was connected to it. Just remember that is also a rubber seal that sits over the pump and sits into the actual bottle itself, stops it from leaking. That needs to be fitted to it. Obviously when you saw me take out the old one, the rubber seal was already in the bottle itself. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.